Radio Remote Control Equipment Market Report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global radio remote control equipment market size will be $651.5 million in 2024. It will expand at a CAGR of 4.3% from 2024 to 2031. North America radio remote control equipment market size of $260.60 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 2.5% from 2024 to 2031. Europe radio remote control equipment market size of $195.45 million. Asia Pacific radio remote control equipment market size of $149.85 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 6.3% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America radio remote control equipment market size of $32.58 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 3.7% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa radio remote control equipment market size of $13.03 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 4% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.